Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about this project that was launched yesterday, and this project actually gives you only 7 days to participate on this airdrop, meaning that this is going to be the fastest airdrop ever to be launched on Telegram. So right now guys, pay close attention to the video. I'll be giving you guys all the details about what to do, what to expect, and also how you can be able to get more benefits from this airdrop. Remember what I said, this project was actually launched just yesterday, and they actually gave us a time of 7 days. All right, so let me now go straight and tell you guys more about this project. So to get started with this project, simply click the link on the video description box, and once you click the link on the video description box, you are going to be taken to this bot called CAPS. All right, so when you come over here right now, this is the Telegram the Telegram bot right now. When you click on start right now, this is going to be opening up your own bot for you right now. So it's very easy. Like I said earlier, you have just 7 days to participate on this airdrop. At the point of making this video, you only have just 6 days and 22 hours. When I scroll down right now, you can see there are a lot of things that actually occurs right here. For example, for you to be able to earn from this airdrop, you need to do some simple things. But the first question that everyone will ask is, how legit is this project? Because a lot of projects on Telegram have been becoming a lot of things which we didn't wish for. But guys, let me now prove to you guys why I so much believe on this airdrop. Please, before I will continue with the video, please, I beg you in the name of God, please subscribe and like this video you are watching right now by clicking on this subscription button down below the video you're watching right now, and also getting to like the video like this. So if you want to be getting updated immediately we post any new video, simply click on this bell icon and select all, so that whenever we post any new video, YouTube will send you notification immediately. Right now, let's go straight back into the business of the day. So to prove to you guys how legit this airdrop is, when I come over here to getgems.io, you can see that Durov CAP is listed right here already. This is where the NFT is actually trading on, and when you look over here, you can see that the NFT is trading for about $100 and above. Lowest price right here is actually 10 ton is equivalent to around $50. So over here guys, you can see that they are listed on getgems.io, and they are verified. Very important, they are verified right here on getgems.io. We all know that getgems.io is actually a platform that actually trades NFT, and you can as well connect your wallet right here, and of course get to trade your Durov CAP NFT, which is what we are going to be talking about there, airdrop right here on this video. So to get started with the airdrop, remember the link is going to be on the video description box, and once you click on the link, you are going to be taken to your own bot. This is my bot right here, and we have a time of 7 days approximately right here. We do not know what will happen exactly after 7 days, but this can only be either two things. It is either that they will be talking about their listing after 7 days, or they will be entering the main phase after these 7 days of mining period that they gave. So this means that you have less than 1 week right now to actually participate on this airdrop. After that, you might lose the golden opportunity that lies after this time that has been given. So whatever they mean, go right now and join this airdrop. Very important. Okay, so then I do not say that you were not told. So then now, once you have clicked the link and joined this airdrop, this is the first thing you're going to be greeted with. You can see right here guys, you can invite a friend to get 15 tickets. For each person you invite, you get 15 tickets, and this ticket that you are actually getting right here is actually what determines your own airdrop allocation. So over here, if you look over, you can see I have 0 tickets right here, and you can also share this to your story to get 50 tickets. Okay, when I scroll down a little bit, you can see that we have some things right here, like we have this button right here, which is this interface that I'm on right now, and we have this lightning button right here, and we also have this one which is yet to be unlocked. Okay, so when I click over here guys on this lightning button right here, you can see these are the places that I can actually do some things to actually boost my ticket. Remember right here we have some tasks right here, and when I click over here guys on tasks, you can see that this is actually limited. If you invite 3 persons, you are going to be getting 50 tickets. You invite 5 persons, you get 100 tickets, and you invite 10 persons, you get even 150 tickets. Okay, when I scroll down again, you can see that this you can also share to your story to actually get 50 tickets, and also subscribe to their channel. Right now, let me blow your mind away right now. When I click over here guys on subscribe to channel, right now it is going to be loading up right now, and we are going to be taken to their channel. Okay, you can see this is a Telegram community. You can see that this Telegram community was actually created on the January, okay, and right now they are already ranking up on 1.1 million Telegram subscribers right here, guys. So I'll click on join right now to actually join the Telegram community, and of course you can see that the countdown has begun and they said just 8 days, which is now remaining 6 days and some hours. So right now, guys, you can see this is simply how you participate on this airdrop and get yourself positioned. Do not fade this airdrop. You are not required to spend anything. It is totally free, and all you do right here is totally safe and sound. Okay, so when I go back to my bot right now, let me show you guys some things right here. When I go back to my bot like this, you can see right here, guys, that I can just click on claim right now to actually claim this one. When I click on share to story, then I'm going to be requested to actually share this to my story like this. Then I'll click on next. So this is going to be shared real quick, and right now it has been posted on our story right now, and you can go ahead and of course click right here, guys, on this button right here that we have friends. When you click on it right now, this is where you of course get your referral link. For example, if you invite anybody, you get 5 tickets, and of course when you invite someone with premium accounts, you get 15 tickets. So when I click over here, guys, on invite, I'm gonna have to click on copy, and this link is gonna be copied. Then I'm gonna be required to share it to my Telegram community anywhere else that you can actually invite people. And remember, the best way to actually invite people very fast is to simply go ahead and share your referral link to our Twitter, tagging Durov CAP. When you share it on Twitter and tag Durov CAP, a lot of people is going to be seeing this because this is currently the hottest topic right now on the crypto space. All right, so thank you for watching the video. I believe you got enlightened, and right now it is now your turn to take this opportunity that you just found right now. Thank you, and make sure you join this airdrop, please. It is very simple like this, guys. So make sure you join this airdrop. The link is going to be on the video description box. So with that being said, I want to say thank you. Do have a lovely day, and I will talk to you guys on my next video.